I'm at Lowe's. I got a call from 911 to come get these honeybees, and when I pulled up, I can see that in other areas of the parking lot nearby, somebody has sprayed them. So I'm a little bit, or very concerned when I take these home that they're not going to make it. And I am praying to God that they don't contaminate my other bees with insecticide. But I'm not going to leave them. They're so happy to find a home, put the box down, they immediately just start charging in there, saying, "Thank the Lord. Home at last."